Adding a custom domain to ClickFunnels helps establish branding and provides a professional URL for your funnels. Here's how to do it. Purchase a domain. If you don't have a domain, buy one from a domain provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Access ClickFunnels domain settings. Log into ClickFunnels. Go to Account Settings and click Domains. Click Add New Domain. Choose a connection method. Select Use an existing domain if you've purchased a domain elsewhere. Enter your domain name and click Next. Update DNS settings. In your domain registrar account, locate DNS or domain name settings. Add or update the following DNS records. CNAME record. Point www to target.clickfunnels.com. A record. Some providers may require this for root domain connection. Verify the domain. Return to ClickFunnels and click Verify. Verification may take a few minutes to propagate. Assign domain to a funnel. Go to your funnel settings and choose a newly added domain as the funnel URL.